How to cancel your Shopify plan. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. First of all, open up any browser you have and go to your Shopify admin. After that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Click on Settings at the bottom right of the screen. Click on Plan. And here you'll be able to end Shopify subscription. You simply need to click on red button that says Deactivate Trial. After that, Shopify might ask you to give a reason as to why you want to leave, so give them the reason that suits you the most. Then you need to enter your password for confirmation and you'll be done. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Shopify plan. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.